Was really particularly worried because yung droga kasi ang target yung mga bata. Hindi tayo. Ang droga na distribute dyan sa mga high school, dyan sa mga ano. Kung ang next generation ng Pilipino puro bangag. Marami nakikita mo dito. Marami mga opisyal natin sa gobyerno, nakikita mo mga bangag. Alam mo na kung sino ang bangag. Tinatawag nila. Kaya ako, sir, I'm just being, I was being a father of the city. But talagang galit ako sa kriminal.
Yes. And
Naggalit ako sa kriminal.
And would you agree with me, Mr. President, that doon po sa inyong war on drugs, yung mga reported, majority of those that were reported killed on war on drugs were not really all drug addicts and pushers. Would you agree with me?
Well, because some of those who are really
Collateral.
in trafficking are not marunong eh. Those in trafficking sa drugs eh, may utak yun. Yun sila ang nag-traffic ng drugs. And they avoid taking drugs because alam nila na kung malulong sila sa droga, hindi na nila magamit yung utak nila.
Mr.
Kaya,
President,
yung
yes.
sinabi nila na hindi lahat drugista, tama yun. Yung
Pero ito po ay mga collateral damage. Sabi nga po, shit happens eh. Diba? Sabi ni Gerald Bato. So, if ever that meron pong collateral damage, meron pong mga shit happens, will you consider this as a failure of the war on drugs?
Hindi. I would say that it was a maybe unnecessary death, but a collateral damage is recognized if not, hindi naman sinasadya. Kaya yung in one drug den doon sa Davao City, 4 na Chinese, pinatay ko talaga. Ang problema, may tinamaan na 2 yung nagluluto. Pero yung 4 na in-check na talagang pinatay ko. Sinadya ko talang patpatayin.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, is that a
Admission, yes.
admission that you
Oh.
killed them? Lumaban po sila? Or pinatay nyo silang walang laban?
Sinabi ko sa kanila,
Hindi,
sir,
Mr. President, pinatay nyo po ba siya ng walang laban or lumalaban po sila?
hindi, lumalaban. Kasi pag rate, siyempre, agawan ng kung anong mapupulot nila, lumalaban, pero I would say that hindi naman lahat malaban na mayroong tit for tat. Meaning to say, kung may M16 yung police, may M16 sila. That would be an impossible scenario. Pero kung lumaban, pasensya tayo. Ako sinabi ko, nung mayor ako, do not do it. Do not do it because I